The Rhode Island Red is an American breed of domestic chicken. It was developed in Rhode Island and Massachusetts in the late 19th century by crossbreeding birds of Asian origin, such as the Malay, from which it gets its characteristic deep red plumage, with brown leghorn chickens from Italy. They were developed to withstand the harsh New England winters and to be very hardy and cold tolerant. They were accepted into the American Poultry Association in 1904. The Rhode Island Red was originally developed as a dual-purpose breed to provide both meat and eggs, but since about 1940, it has been selectively bred for its egg-laying abilities, and the modern industrial Rhode Island Red is a layer breed. Rhode Island Reds have been used in the creation of many modern hybrid breeds, mainly due to their prolific egg-laying capabilities. The plumage color of the traditional Rhode Island Red ranges from a lustrous deep mahogany red to almost black, and the tail is mostly black. The comb may be single or a rose comb. It is vivid red, as are the earlobes and wattles. They have red-orange eyes, reddish-brown beaks, and yellow feet and legs, often with some red on the toes and sides of the shanks. Industrial strains may be smaller and paler in color than the heritage variety. On average, roosters weigh 8.5 pounds and hens weigh 6.5 pounds. The traditional dual-purpose heritage Rhode Island Red lays from 200 to 300 large brown eggs per year and yields rich, flavorful meat. Hens will go broody occasionally, but this trait has been bred out in favor of egg-laying abilities, especially in the industrial version of the breed. Rhode Island Reds are a good choice for the small flock owner. They are generally friendly, easily handled, and calm. They are probably the best egg layer of the dual-purpose heavy breeds. They handle marginal diets and less than ideal conditions better than most other breeds and still continue to produce eggs. Heritage Rhode Island Reds are included in the Ark of Taste of the Slow Food Foundation. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted.